What if your AI agent did not just answer customer questions, but actually understood when your business is closed? Imagine a customer contacting your support team on Christmas, Thanksgiving, or any company holiday. Instead of attempting to resolve complex issues without human support available, your Salesforce agent immediately recognizes that it's a holiday, informs the customer that the business is currently closed, sets the right expectations, and assures them that their request will be prioritized on the next business day. This creates a much better customer experience because customers know exactly what's happening instead of waiting for a response that isn't coming. In today's video, I will show you how to build a holiday autoresponder in Salesforce Agentforce using a hard-coded approach. Along the way, I will also explain the concepts behind each step so you understand not only how to configure it, but why we are doing it. Let's get started. Step 1. Create company holidays. The first thing we need is a list of company holidays inside Salesforce. Think of holidays as a company calendar. Under that tells Salesforce which dates your organization is officially closed. Different Salesforce features such as scheduling automations and AI agents can reference these holidays to make intelligent decisions. Click on Settings, then click on Setup. Search for holidays. Open Holidays. Click New. Enter the holiday name. Add a description explaining the holiday. Select the holiday date. Finally, click Save. Step 2. Enable Einstein. Before creating our AI agent, let's understand what Einstein actually is. Einstein AI is Salesforce's built-in artificial intelligence platform. Think of Einstein as the intelligence layer inside Salesforce CRM. Traditional CRM systems simply store customer information. Einstein goes much further. It analyzes your Salesforce data, understands customer interactions, predicts outcomes, recommends the next best actions, and powers intelligent automations across the platform. More importantly for Agentforce, Einstein provides the reasoning engine that allows AI agents to understand requests, make decisions, and respond intelligently instead of simply matching keywords. To enable it, search for Einstein Setup. Open it. Turn Einstein on. Step 3. Enable Agentforce. Now let's talk about Agentforce. Many people confuse Agentforce with traditional chatbots, but they are fundamentally different. Traditional chatbots operates like decision trees. They follow predefined scripts. If a customer asks an unexpected question, the chatbot usually gets confused or asks the customer to rephrase. Agentforce works differently. It uses generative AI together with Salesforce data. Instead of following a rigid flow, it understands customer intent, reasons through the request, retrieves relevant Salesforce information, and even can execute business actions. That's why Salesforce call them autonomous AI agents, rather than 10 chatbots. Now let's enable Agentforce. Search for Agentforce agents. Open it. Turn the toggle on. Click Let's Go. Select Agentforce Service Agent. Click Next. Click Next again. Enter your service agent name. Enter your company name. Now define the role. audit AI behaviors, and continuously improve the agent. Click Next. Then click Create. Once the agent is created, deactivate it temporarily so we can safely configure it. Create a holiday closer subagent. Instead of putting every instructions into one large AI agent, Agentforce allows us to create specialized subagents. Think of a subagent as a specialist within your AI workforce. Rather than asking one agent to handle every possible scenario, each subagent focuses on one business process. This makes responses more accurate, easier to maintain, and simpler to scale. Now let's create one. Click New. Select New Subagent. For the objective, enter help users who reach out during a company holiday close browser or ask about holiday hours. Click Next. Click Next again. Click Finish. Activate the subagent. Now open the Holiday Closer subagent. Step 5. Configure the AI instructions. Now we are going to teach the AI exactly what this specialist should take over. Under Classification Description, enter. Always use this subagent first for any customer interaction. If the current date matches a company holiday closer, or if the customer asks about holiday closer or holiday hours, provide appropriate holiday information and guidance. The classification description tells Agentforce when this subagent should be selected. Next, add the following instruction. If a customer asks about a shipment, order, or account issue during a company holiday, do not start the verification process or attempt to resolve the issue. Immediately respond that we are currently closed for the holiday. Inform the customer that our team will return on the next business day. Confirm that their request has been logged and will be prioritized once the team returns. How the AI should behave. Once the subagent has been selected, click Save, then click Activate.
Why are we hard-coding this? At this point, you might be wondering why we are hard-coding these instructions instead of allowing the AI to decide dynamically. The reason is simple. Every AI system is only as good as the information it has access to right now. Our AI does not have detailed company procedures, escalation rules, holiday calendars connected through external systems or internal business policies. Because of that, we are intentionally giving deterministic instructions. Deterministic logic ensures the AI always produces the same predictable response during holidays. As your organization grows, you can replace these hard-coded with dynamic reasoning, powered by Salesforce Data Cloud Knowledge, Article Apex, action flows, APIs, and enterprise business policies. At that stage, your AI will no longer rely on static instruction. It will make informed decisions based on live company data. Test the agent. Now let's see everything working together. Open the conversation preview.
Hey, I know you are closed for holiday today, but I have a shipment issue. Can you help? Notice what happens. Instead of trying to troubleshoot the shipment, the holiday closer subagent immediately takes control. The AI responds, "We are currently closed for holiday." Our team will return on the next business day. We have logged your shipment issue and will prioritize it once we return. This is exactly the behavior we wanted. The customer receives an immediate response. Their expectations are properly managed, and your support team isn't interrupted during company holidays. And that's all there is to it. With just a few configurations inside Salesforce Agentforce, you have created a holiday autoresponder that behaves predictably, professionally, and consistently. By introducing deterministic business logic into autonomous AI agent, you strike the perfect balance between automation and governance. Your customers receive immediate clarity. Your employees can enjoy their holidays without unnecessary interruptions. And your Salesforce platform continues delivering an exceptional customer experience, even when your business is closed. Thanks for watching.